Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as Windows 11 is having a hard time going anywhere, something interesting is happening. It's Microsoft itself that kind of updated its page on how to install Windows 11 on unsupported device. So they've actually tweaked the page, changed the page, and now you have this new page which has some new information, and some of the wording is also changed. And it's installing Windows 11 on devices that don't meet minimum system requirements. So of course they now say that you're responsible for what's going to happen and whatever happens. But it's kind of interesting to see that there's a way to that they're talking about a way to install on unsupported, when in reality they pushed so hard in the last few months to tell everybody, well, you need to buy a new PC. It's obvious that they're trying to get as many people on Windows 11 as possible, and kind of just saying, well, if you're unsupported, it doesn't matter, just go there. It's funny. I don't know. It is something that is kind of a contradiction. Once again, today, a lot of people, when we're talking about numbers for Windows 11, a lot of people still talking about those minimum requirements that are still quite, arbitrary. You don't really have any reason for them for the most part. TPM, yes, but for certain things only. As for the processor generation, it's obvious when you look at unsupported systems. I'm running Windows 11 on a 12-year-old Toshiba, and it's working. And it's a little sluggish. It's not perfect, but the fact that it's working, that I'm doing a few things and actually using that PC for different things, just shows you that Windows 11 actually works on a wide variety of hardware. It's really that the minimum requirement they decide to do is just out of the blue. Oh, let's put it here. This is where we're going to put that, minimum, which of course frustrates a lot of people that have perfectly good PCs that are powerful enough to actually run Windows 11 very well. But, minimum requirements are the problem. Once again, also I want to mention, because I see too many people saying that, well, it's over, you can't move on to Windows 11 24H2. There's no more, you can't bypass the... Yes, you can. You don't do it right if you're not capable of installing Windows 11. The only requirement that you cannot bypass is that SSE2 instruction set for very old PCs. That cannot be bypassed. And honestly, if your PC is that old, I don't see much of an interest in running Windows 11 there. But for the rest, the minimum requirements that are, from PCs of 5, 6, 7 years old are you can bypass. You can install. Check it, correctly, because if you can't install, you're not doing it right. That's definitely. I have a few videos here where I show you on 24H2 how to move on. I've used those bypass methods on my old PC. It works fine. So just do it right. You need to check out the way you're actually upgrading to 24H2 if you want to have 24H2, of course. And you can always go to 23H2. So kind of a contradiction here. Microsoft on one side putting a minimum requirement, but on the other side saying, oh, we've got this... We've got this here that if you want to, bypass, you can do this. Kind of funny. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.